Speed Garage remixes are completely taken over TikTok. So in today's video I will show you how to do the same. First we need an ingredient list of those viral songs to have the same output.
My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt.
So those are all the elements we need. Let's straight dive into it.
Black and yellow, yeah.
So let's start off with a cover vocal. Let's use one from our platform Cover Me. It's the perfect place to find cover vocals for your own remixes. I will hook you up with a special discount down below, so check it out. So I came across this black and yellow vocal, something like this.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Already sounds perfect, so let's do some minor mixing. First control the low end. And dip it around here.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, yeah.
Add some reverb. Tiny bit of delay. And a sidechain. Which we'll be automating to only have it enabled in the drop. Something like this. So that's already it for the vocal. It's just drag and drop with Cover Me. So now we're gonna continue with that typical Reese Bass at the start of the track. So let's make a preset from scratch. First pick a saw and put it 2 octaves down. Slightly fine tune it. Then oscillator B, +7 semitones and -1. And fine tune it opposite of the other one. Then add in a filter. With NFO1 to the cutoff to create some slight movement. Sounding like this. Then some hyper. Distortion, OTT, then delete a little bit of the high end. And some reverb and delay. Together with the mod wheel, sounding like this. So then it's just a matter of placing in the MIDI. Let's start from the root note. Following the original progression.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
And then I think we can beef up the Reese Bass a little bit more. So just add some distortion. Steady compress it. Something like this.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
And mixing it volume wise.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Yeah, and because it's a build up, we're also gonna EQ out the low end.
You know what it
in the build up.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
So let's shape the animation like this, based on the value, and remove the low end to the build up like this.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
So that's it for the Reese Bass.
Yeah, you know what it is.
We got foundation of the breakdown ready, so now it's time to dive in the drop. Let's open up the Speed 2 sample pack. It's still work in progress, so it looks messy, but by the time this comes out, it's already released. So check it out down below. First, let's start with the kick. Let's go for this one.
Yeah,
Something like this. So then in those TikTok remixes, you always get that offbeat bass in the drop. So let's search for a preset in the pack. Let's go for this one. And again, following the progression we made earlier, with the D down to the C, G, and A sharp. Sounding like this. So then we need to mix it. First, add some distortion. And EQ out these resonating frequencies. Together with a big sidechain. So altogether the kick and bass sounds like this. Which is solid, but we need to mix it some more. So first glue that together with some compression. Already sounds way better. Then make low and mono. And then an R bass to boost the sub around here. And let's compress the low end some more. And bump it up like this. And then we're gonna do the same for the high end. Altogether something like this, taking it from this to a more controlled low end, and then just arrange it throughout the drop. Altogether sounding like this.
Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I
So now we need to build a groove for the drums. First, let's pick the basic drums with a clap and open hat. So let's go for this 99 kind of bass clap. And then this kind of big head. Then I cut out these closed heads from a drum loop. And then it's time to add in a groove. So let's drop in some snares and percussion. And then manually get it off the grid to add some more swing to it. And then duplicate it and add some other groovy stuff in there. So let's bend them opposite of each other. Just like this. And write them all to a drum bus. So then we're gonna add in our new plugin. It's a drum bus plugin to really bring out all the swing and groove in your drums. So first I got a pawn section with a transient shaper and a clipper. Let's loop the drums and process them on the drum bus. And it's just a matter of finding the sweet spot. Same for this one. Same for the glue section. Giving this effect. Them all just mix them in around 50%. This one's a bit too heavy, so around here sounds perfect. So then it's just a matter of copying over the drums. Something like this. So then I made this really quick drum fill to transition from the first to the second part of the drop. So let's drop it in around here and make an animation with a low cut animation on the master. We're also going to use that fill as a free drop fill. So just very simple, some crashes, kicks, the percussion we made earlier. All together our drums sound like this. So then to finish it off, we need to arrange it some more. So first I did this snare build together with this uplifter. Then we're gonna copy over the drums together with animation. Add a shaker to the second part of the drop. And let's drop in the drums to the build up as well. But we're gonna filter them. And let it open up like this. So create an animation clip, break it all the way down, and combine it with the endless smile on the master and around 30%. So again, it's very minimal, but it really gets the job done. So altogether, this is our TikTok style speed garage remix. So let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Beside that, if you like the video, drop a like and a subscribe button, and see y'all next videos.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is.